In this video, we are going to go through the diagnostic menu for the HAVSco system. I will explain what the menu does and why you might need to use it. From the HAVSco home screen, log into admin mode. Do this by clicking admin, user mode, then click admin in the drop-down menu. The system will ask you for a PIN number. The default is 1234. Enter your PIN number and click OK. At the top of the screen, the admin menu will be highlighted in yellow. This indicates you are in admin mode. Click admin and a new drop-down menu will appear. Click settings. At the top of the screen, you can see 5 different tabs: docs and dosimeters, measurement settings, data sync, options, and diagnostics. Click the Diagnostics tab. There are 2 options in this menu, a keyboard tester and demo mode. There is also another diagnostic feature in docs and dosimeters, which gives you doc information. At the top of the Diagnostics menu is the keyboard tester. On the left, it also tells you the serial number of the doc. With the doc connected via a USB lead and the power cable plugged in, push the number 1 key on your doc. Providing your keypad is working, the number 1 key on the screen will have a green dot covering it. This indicates the doc keypad is working. You may do this for all of your keys to make sure they are all functional. The next option is demo mode. This allows you to activate a dosimeter that has not yet transitioned to trickle charge. It is recommended that this stays off, as activating a dosimeter before it has transitioned will result in reduced battery life, as well as a reduced runtime. In the Docs and Dosimeters tab, under Doc Information, you will see a button that says Test Doc. This button will refresh the USB connection between the dock and the computer.